Hello viewers, in this video we are going to study hexadecimal to octal conversion. We have been already given with an example BEAD to the base 16 is equal to what to the base 8. Now let us understand the procedure divided into number of steps. Here I am going to write step 1, write the binary equivalent of each hexadecimal digit. Step 2, regroup them into 3 bits from the right side with zeros. Added if necessary. Step number 3, convert each group into octal equivalent. Now let us come back to this example. What we need to do, write the binary equivalent of each hexadecimal digit. So first of all I'm going to write B. So B can be represented. So as we already know that A represent value 10, B represent value 11, C represent value 12, D represent value 13, E represent value 14, F represent value 15. So B here it is 11, that we need to convert it into binary. Next is E. So E represent here it is 14. Next A represent 10. D represent value 13. Yes. So each one of these numbers are to be converted into binary notations. So 11 we have to divide it by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 1 is the remainder, 2 2s are 4, 1 is the remainder, 2 1s are 2, 0 is the remainder, 2 zeros are and 1 is the remainder because 1 is less than 2. So as per the basic mathematical rule says that when the numerator is less than denominator, then the numerator acts as a remainder and quotient becomes 0. Here the first remainder is least significant digit and the last remainder is most significant digit, and we will have to write the numbers from most significant digit to least significant digit. So what is B represent now? 1011. Here I am going to write 1011. Next we have to convert this E, that is 14, into binary. So I'll write 14 divided by 2. 2 7s are 14, remainder is 0, 2 3s are 6, 1 is the remainder, 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder, 2 zeros are, and this one will come as it is. So this is the least significant digit and this one is the most significant digit. So here we have to write it from bottom to top. So that is 1110. So here 14 represent 1110. Similarly, I have to convert A. Now I am going to write A represent value 10. So divide this by 2. 2 5s are 10, remainder is 0, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, next 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0, next 2 zeros are this remainder as it is. So first remainder is least significant digit and the last remainder is most significant digit. So here we have to write bottom to top 1010. So here 1010 is equal to 10. Now we'll convert 13 into binary. I'll write 13 here, divide this number by 2. 2 6s are 12, 1 is the remainder, 2 3s are 6, 0 is the remainder, correct? So next 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder, 2 zeros are, and 1 will become the remainder. So this is least significant digit and the next last remainder is most significant digit. So we'll have to write from MSD to LSD. So 1101. So here 1101 represent 13. Yes. Next, what we need to do, regroup them into 3 bits. So first of all, I'm going to write them in a sequence. First B will come. I'm going to write B as 1011. Next E is 1110. A is 1010. D is 1101. So regroup them into 3 bits. Why 3 bits? 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So because we are converting into octal number. So that's the reason we have to regroup them into 3 bits from right side with zeros added if necessary. So from the right hand side, we have to group 3 bits together. So again 3 bits together. So next 1, 2, again 3 bits together, again 3 bits together, 1, 2, 3 bits together. And what is asked? From the right hand side with zeros added if necessary. Here you can see we left out with only bit number 1. So here we need to make a group of 3 bits. In order to do that, we have to add 2 more leading zeros. So here I am going to make a group of 3 bits. After this, convert each group into octal equivalent. So we have to convert them into octal equivalent. So here you can see 101. The positional weight of this 1 is 0, correct? 2 to the power 0 into 1 plus the positional weight of this 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 into 0 plus next positional weight of this bit number 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 into 1. So you can see here 101. So 101. 2 to the power 2 is 4, 4 ones are 4 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 into 0 is 0 plus 2 to the power 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Here 4 plus 0 plus 1 is 5. So 101 represent what? It is 5. Next 101 again, it is 5 only. Just now we have done. Next 010. You can write the positional weight of this 0 is 0. Here I'll be writing 2 to the power 0 into 0 plus bit number 1 whose positional weight is 2 to the power 1 into 1 plus 2 to the power 2 into next bit is 0. Here 2 to the power 2 is 4, 4 into 0 is 0 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2 plus this is 0 because 0 into anything is 0. So 0 plus 2 plus 2 is 2 only. So here 0, 1, 0 gives me 2. Now you can see we have got 1, 1, 1. So again we are going to convert this binary number into octal equivalent. So how to write? The positional weight of this rightmost bit is 0. 2 to the power 0 into 1 plus next bit is again 1. 2 to the power 1 into 1 plus 2 to the power 2 into 1. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So here 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. Correct? So 1, 1, 1 represent 7. Next is 0, 1, 1. So convert the similar way. The positional weight of this rightmost 1 is 2. So I'll write 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus the next bit 1 whose positional weight is 2 to the power 1 into 1 plus 2 to the power 2 and this positional weight of 0 is 2 to the power 2 into 0. So anything into 0 is 0. So next 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 ones are 2. Anything raised to 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So it is 0 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. 0, 1, 1 represent 3. So similarly 0, 0, 1 represent 1. Right? Okay, fine. Now I am going to write therefore BEAD to the base 16 is equal to 1, 3, 7, 2, 5, 5 to the base 8. Now let me give you one more example of this kind, and please let me know the answer for this particular question. FEED to the base 16 is equal to what to the base 8, and please tell me the result of this particular question in the comment box. Thank you.